Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. It's you. You serve me on a circular.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my college room tour. So take a look, take a look, take a look. I'm going to be going all around my room, telling you about everything that I have, where I got it from, and if I made something, how it was made. So we're going to start over here in this corner. So this right here is my to-do list. I kind of DIY'd this. I got the to-do sign from Target. I just have like a little command strips hanging up my marker, and then I have little post-it notes to write what I want to do for the day, and I leave it by my door just to make it easier to know exactly what I have to do for the day so I don't forget. Next, as we move over, I'm going to show you guys my wall and all my pictures. I have inspirational and motivational quotes up here on my wall, just to uplift me every day. So live the life you've imagined. I got this from Dollar Tree, which is actually a really good deal because it's a nice canvas like kind of picture. And I also got that one from Dollar Tree. Be present every day. And Hustle came along in a pack with a little to-do sign, and so did Schedule. And I think those both were on clearance at Target. So yeah. Next, I'm going to show you guys the pictures and everything that I have on my wall. These, I have like Christmas cards, birthday cards. I have like, what are those little pictures called? Y'all know which ones I'm talking about because you're looking right at them. But whatever those pictures is called, they like vintage pictures. I forgot what they called, and they come from that little camera. But yeah, I can't seem to remember right now. But those my sisters right there. That's when we went to Virginia. Shout out to them, okay? Hey y'all. So down here, that's a picture of me and my boyfriend. If you come over, slowly but surely, right here, there he go again. That's us again. Next, we're gonna come down like to my desk, and I have like books on there. My unicorn eraser. I had this for my birthday, and I've been using it. As you can see, like his legs, they got a little short because I've been using him for like drawing class and stuff. But this right here is my holy planner. I use that thing for everything. I also got that. I got that for Christmas. My little queen bee bag. I'm using it for makeup. That's my laptop. Next, sitting next to my laptop was my little globe. I got this at my graduation party when I graduated high school. And it's a little picture of me. She a little messed up now, but I still love it. If you go back up, like where my pictures is at, this is my calendar. So, I try to keep that up there to keep up with everything as long as my to-do list. Next, we're going to move on to the other side of the room, which is by my bed. This is a picture I have hanging up of my mom. I just keep her by my bed. So, I just have her to like look at if I'm like going through like really rough times and stuff. And it's a little prayer on there as well. Next, we're gonna move to my bed set. I got everything is from Walmart, basically. So when you move under my bed, I have that black bin. I have shoes in both of those. And then the pink bin I actually got off of, that my shoes are sitting on top of, I actually got that off of Craigslist. And it was $3.99. And I just painted it and I put some glitter on it. And I just made it my own. But I have my sewing kits there. In my freshman year, I used to be a design major, so I had my sewing kit. But now I switched over to merchandising, so I'm a fashion merchandising major. I also have my basket of wigs, okay? Everybody always laughs when I show them this basket. They come in my room and they're like, what the hell? But yeah, those are all my wigs. Next, by my bed, I have just this little holder. I just have my flat irons in there. My big and my small one, and my blow dryer and my wand curler. That's pretty much it. This is the other wall that's after my bed. I have my little bags over there. I got my little wooden thing that you see everything hanging up. I got that from my dollar store back at home, so it was $1. I got this cute little French fry bag from Walmart. I think that was $10. It hurt me to buy it, but I thought it was so cute, so I got it anyway. That was on clearance at Forever 21, $1, $1. I also got this from my dollar store. I just painted, glittered it. Next, this is, the next wall we're gonna work on. So right here, this is also a gift for my graduation party. It just has family and friends quotes on it, wishing me good luck in college. This is my little boss corner right here, okay? I got my business cards, I got my mug. I am prepared, okay? So right here is just like my fragrances. I have my witch hazel, got my lotion, hairspray, room spray. So I just kind of like keep all my sprays and stuff right here, obviously. But this right here, this Gold Dust Shimmer Mist, this just came out at Bath and Body Works, and it is thebomb.com. It's my favorite right now, and it got little glitter speckles in it. This is also my favorite. It's by Victoria's Secret, Very Sexy, and I think I got that for Christmas too. If you move on down, this is my little mannequin head and my wig. I made her. She's looking kind of cute. But yeah, moving along. So right here in the Sephora bag, I had nail polishes. I kind of just keep them all in here. I got nail glue. So that's my nail bag. Next, we're going to move on to the makeup. I know y'all probably was waiting for this part, okay? It's my little holy grail corner. Have my little mascaras down here. Have a highlighter. Wet n Wild brush. What else do I have? I have eyeshadow. That's the pigment right there. These are my brushes. I got these cute little gold containers from Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. So they were only $1, but they were super duper cute. I need to get one more because you see I got my brushes stuffed in there. This is my bag. I have like little eyeshadows, pigments, little stuff in there. Moving on to my foundation. So I have like my NYX foundation, my Fenty, my Revlon, my Milani, my Maybelline foundation in the back. So these are like just all the foundations I use. And then I have my concealers, primers over there. Next, this is my little lip basket. So I have my lip glosses, lipsticks in here, lip creams, lip balms, everything that you could ever think of. Every color that you could ever think of. Next, I have like my banana powder, makeup wipes. In this top drawer is like my eyebrow stuff. There's some mascara in there, eyeliners are in there, some concealer is in there. Second drawer, these are all matte lipsticks. Third and bottom drawer, these are all lippies too, the ones that could not fit in my little lip basket. So I have a lot of lippies. When I organized the makeup, I didn't realize how much lippies I had until I organized my makeup. So yeah. But coming on to my containers, if you open this one up, on the top shelf, there is glitter. Have them separated into like little jars, and like there's diamonds and stuff in there. I don't have anything on the second shelf, but on the bottom shelf, this is mad random stuff that I don't use, but I'm probably gonna need, so I'll keep it. Yeah. So this right here, this is my glitter case. So whenever I'm doing my makeup, someone's makeup, they need glitter, I'm going in here. Next, this is like the little dresser thingy under my desk. So top drawers, skincare, like what's in there? Eye contact solution. That's my little face cream. I got witch hazel in there again. First aid kit, alcohol, aloe vera gel, stuff like that. Second drawer is my hair stuff. So I got my Eco Styling gel, I got hair dye in there. I got developer, got my bonnets, got wig caps, got my my edge control brushes, looking kind of rough, but get the job done. Last drawer is just really mad random stuff. It's like sunglasses, containers, extra stuff. I need a place to put it, so it's there. Next, we're gonna move on to the other wall. So this is by my closet. By my closet, I have just like a little hook on my door. I have my fur scarf, fur low headband thing. And then in my closet, I tried to color coordinate it, so it's like black, green, blue, red, then gray, then white, tan, you know, yellow, and then just random colors. Up top here, I have my little bags. So have Michael Kors bags. I forgot where I got that blue bag from. I got this black bag from H&M. I think I paid like 40 bucks for that. I forgot where I got this other little black bag from, but I got this little sparkly bag. I got that from Five Below, so it was $5. And look, okay, she did the little thing, the little mermaid thing. So I thought that was super cute. I got my iron over there. Under my clothes, I have like my little dirty clothes basket, and I have my suitcases. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I feel like I got too much energy. It's like 8 o'clock and I'm doing my voiceover. But yeah, basically that is it for my room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah!